Mayap agad panapon kabalen. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zomaurice G. Cruz, but you could call me Joma. I am 38 years old and I'm from San Luis, Pampanga. I love to play basketball. I also do some wakeboarding, and at the same time, I'm active right now in our social civic organization. As of the moment, I'm also the president of JCI San Fernando Cabalen. One of our major breakthrough this year is the sisterhood partnership of the city of San Fernando and the county of Gangwon-Yangyang in South Korea. I need to be honest. I don't have any professional hosting background, but I do love to speak. I do love to communicate. And I just want to share that I champion the public speaking competition within our organization as well. And when there's a need for some hosting in our organization or in our company, normally I'm the one who step it up. Now, why do I want to be part of CLTV 36? I would love to use my voice, the voice of the people. I hope through CLTV 36, I could bring news, I could bring culture, and I could bring a genuine connection closer to the people. Sana po apiliyo ko, sana po miyabe-yabe tamo, sana po agamit ko ing boses ko, kayabe ng CLTV 36. Miyakit-yakit tamo po kabalen. Dakal pong salamat.